Question number 5 from practice set 3. Write the index form of the following polynomial using variable x. Means write in terms of x raised to 4, x raised to 5 something. From its a coefficient form. This given thing is the coefficient form. So first question is given. Write given coefficient form in the answer once again. Given coefficient form 3, minus 2, 0, 7, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coefficients are there, means 5 terms are there. When coefficients are 5, decrease 4. Decrease 1 less than the coefficient. Coefficient is 1 more than the degree. Degree is 1 less than the coefficient. So it is constant term, x square, x cube, x raised to 4. 4 is the degree. Therefore, the index form is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 0x square plus 7x plus 18 plus 18. And it can be simplified, 0 term can be removed, is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 7x plus 18. First, we have observed there are 5 coefficients, so degree is 4x raised to 4, 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 0x square plus 7x plus 18. And in some school they are asking to remove 0 terms. So 0x square term is removed. Both are index form. This is the simplified index form, final index form. Same way to do this. Given coefficient form. Given coefficient form 6107. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coefficients 4, so degree 3. Therefore, index form. Polynomial index form is degree 3 means 6x cube plus 1x square. 1 need not be returned. Plus 0x plus 7. So 6x cube plus x square plus 7. 0x 0 term can be cancelled. Both these are index form. This is the simplified index form. And in the same manner, last question. Given coefficient form is 4, 5 minus 3, 0. Total 1, 2, 3, 4 coefficients, so degree 3. Therefore, index form is equal to 4x cube plus 5x square minus 3x plus 0. And after simplification, 4x cube plus 5x square minus 3x as plus 0 term exists, may or may not be written. Now look at the board and the following polynomials. This is one polynomial, this is second, both these we have to add in this question. In this second question, these two are the polynomial we have to add in this question, only addition. So the sum is equal to, addition is equal to, in some school may write addition equal to, sum is equal to, in some school required polynomial equal to, result is equal to. But more proper word is, whenever we are doing addition, the sum, and whenever we are doing subtraction, the difference. The sum is equal to, in one bracket, 7x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus x plus 10 plus, in another bracket, 3x raised to 4 plus 15x cube plus 9x square minus 8x plus 2. So these two polynomials you have to add. Is equal to, as it is plus, everything will remain same. Sign will not change. 7x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus x plus 10 plus 3x raised to 4 plus 15x cube plus 9x square minus 8x plus 2 plus 2. Add it. For addition, bring like terms together. 7x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 15x cube. After x cube, x square term should be there, but here there is no x square term. X square term is directly here. So write that plus 9x square. Then x term plus x minus 8x plus x minus 8x plus 10 plus 2. That is equal to 7x raised to 4 and 3x raised to 4 is 10x raised to 4 minus 2 plus 15 is plus 13. Different sign, take the difference and put the sign of bigger number. Plus 9x square is only one term of x square. Plus x minus 8x is minus 7x plus 10 plus 2 is plus 12. Therefore, the required sum is equal to, this is the answer. Once again, I will explain, pay attention. This is one polynomial, another total we want. Total is equal to, sum is equal to, in one bracket, one polynomial plus second. As it is plus, nothing will change. Open it, write all things again. After writing all the things, again, bring like terms together. X raised to 4, x raised to 4, I mark with 1. X cube, x square is only one term. Then x. So that I can see that all terms are taken. Also, we can also confirm like this. Total terms were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the terms are taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then like terms are added. So two terms change into one. Now quantity will decrease. Everyone neatly pay attention and write. Now I am going to explain the next question. Pay attention. The sum is this is in one bracket, this is in another bracket. 3p cube plus 2p square cube plus 7 is one polynomial plus 2p square cube plus 4p cube minus 2p cube is equal to 3p cube plus 2p square cube plus 7 plus, take this 2p square cube is only one term, plus 2p square cube plus 4p cube minus 2p cube. While doing addition, sign will remain the same. Now like terms together, p cube. Here it is first, here it is last, bring it together. 3p cube minus 2p cube. 2p square cube, 2p square cube plus 2p square cube plus 2p square cube. Constant term will write last. Before that, one pq term is there. So that term plus 4pq, and then constant term plus 7. Count the terms. Only we took like terms together, so number of term must be same. फक्त आपण like term जवळ आणले, त्यामुळे यामधल्या टर्म्स आणि ह्यामधल्या टर्म्सची संख्या सेम पाहिजे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now add or subtract like terms. 3p cube cube minus 2p cube cube is 1p cube cube. 2p square cube is 4p square cube. Then pq term and then constant term. This is the final answer. Sum of first polynomial plus second, open the bracket, when plus is taken inside everything remain the same. Then bring like terms together and then add. In the last question we did addition, now we have to do subtraction. We have to subtract second from first. Second from first means first to write first minus the second from first. So directly I will write the difference is equal to, subtraction is equal to, subtraction is called difference. So difference word can be used, or subtraction is equal to, or required polynomial is equal to. What? First polynomial minus second, subtract second from first. Now to subtract means what? Subtract means change the sign and then do addition subtraction. So whenever there is minus, second bracket is there, that minus changes the sign of every term in the second bracket. Minus 3x square, this plus 5y become minus 5y, and this minus minus become plus 7. Minus changes the sign of all those three. Minus become plus. Now bring the like terms along with whatever is sign remain now. We did all this in the exercises. This is the practice set. 5x square minus 3x square is 2x square. Minus 2y minus 5y is minus 7y. Plus 9 plus 7 is 16. Minus minus is bigger minus in addition subtraction. So this is the required polynomial, the difference, the subtraction. Now similarly the second. The difference is equal to, when there are only three terms, it is very easy to do. First polynomial minus second, subtract second from first. From first means first to write first. And usually like that question only be asked, subtract second from first. Minus will change the sign of every term in that bracket. This bracket sign will remain the same. Here it will be minus x square plus 2x minus 3. Minus x square minus become plus 2x plus 3 become minus 3. 2x square minus x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 5 minus 3. X square x, constant. So 2x square minus x square is x square, plus 3x plus 2x is 5x, plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2. So this is the difference, this is the expected answer. The answer is equal to, difference is equal to. After learning addition subtraction once again, now we have to learn again multiplication. As we are solving problem set question, already we have done multiplication in the practice set. Now we are doing it in the problem set. M cube minus 2m plus 3, and this product we have to do. The product is equal to first bracket m square minus 2m plus 3 into second bracket m raised to 4 minus 2m square plus 3m plus 2. Now here 3 and 4 total 12 terms will come product. So I will write it in 2 lines. See neatly. First term of first bracket multiply by second bracket. Method should be used properly to avoid the mistake. Directly if you try to do, you may make mistake. Then second term along with sign minus 2m into second bracket. Then the third term of first term. The third term of first term along with sign into second bracket. Before doing actual product, the method. Now pay attention. All this is only one term. Whenever equal to sign comes, step changes. So all this is only in one step. Now multiply by m square inside this bracket. M square into m raised to 4 is m raised to 6. Law of indices. M square into m raised to 4 is m raised to 6. M square into minus 2m square is minus 2m raised to 4. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. 2 plus 4 6. 2 plus 2 4. Plus m square into 3m is 3m cube. M square into plus 2 is 2m square. Minus 2m into this. By minus 2m we have to multiply to all these. So I am writing next term here. Next term here. Minus 2m into m raised to 4 is minus 2m raised to 5. Minus 2m into minus 2m square is minus minus plus 4m and m square is m cube. Then minus 2m into 3m is minus 6m square. m into m is m square. Minus 2m into 2 is minus 4m. Only lengthy, very easy. If you neatly do proceed, you can get the answer. Plus 3 into m raised to 4 minus 6m square. 3 2s are 6. Plus 3 into plus 3 is 9m. Plus 3 into plus 2 is plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 terms. 3 into 4. 3 terms multiplied by 4 terms total, there will be 12 terms. Now bring like terms together. Where is m raised to 6? Only at one position. M raised to 5, 5, 5, only at one position. Then m raised to 4 is at 2 position. So write them together. Minus 2m square m raised to 4 plus 3m raised to 4. Then m cube. 3m cube 4m cube plus 3m cube plus 4m cube. Then m square term 2m square minus 6m square. Then m term 2m square minus 6m square. Now I write next. Now m square, there are 3m square term. First bracket, second bracket, third bracket. 2m square minus 6m square minus 6m square. Then m term minus 4m plus 9m minus 4m plus 9m. The number term plus 6. We have counted last time 12 terms were there. Now we have to check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All 12 terms we wrote. Like terms we brought together. Now we have to do their addition. That is the final product. M raised to 6 minus 2m raised to 5 minus 2m raised to 4 plus 3m raised to 4. This 2m raised to 4 minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1m raised to 4. 3m cube, 4m cube is 7m cube. 2 minus 6 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10m square. 3m square term added. 2m square minus 6m square is minus 4m square. Minus 4m square minus 6m square is minus 10m square. Minus 4m plus 9m is plus 5m plus 6. And this is the final answer. M raised to 6 minus 2m raised to 5 plus m raised to 4 plus 7m cube minus 10m square plus 5m plus 6.